everyone. My name is Ben Ladin G. Mariandang. Let's interview one of the classmates to see what reaction or impact our question have for him. Can you be interviewed?
Yes. Yeah.
So are you ready?
Yes. I'm ready.
And what is your name? Tell me about yourself.
My name is Abraham P. Yusuf from Palimbang Sultan Kudarat, and I'm 19 years old.
Let's go to interview. Here are common interview questions regarding stress in student. First, can you recall a particularly stressful situation during your studies? How did you manage it?
When the deadline for schoolwork is coming, I can manage it by doing it early and passing it as soon as possible.
And next question, second question is what would you do if you were strongly to meet academic expectations?
If I were struggling to meet academic expectations, I asked for help from my fellow classmates and friends on how to do it.
And third question, how will you manage stress during example periods?
I can manage my stress during exam period by going to relaxing place to study for my incoming exam.
Okay, next question. Next question is how will you manage stress during exam periods?
Actually, I can manage my stress during exam periods by going to a relaxing place to study for my incoming exam.
Okay, next question. Number 4. How do you prioritize self-care during stressful periods?
I prioritize my self-care during stressful periods through eating at the right time, drinking 8 glasses of water every day, and taking a bath 3 times a day.
Okay, next question. The next question is what strategies help you cope with academic pressure?
The strategies that help me cope with academic pressure are attending my class subject every day and doing my best.
Okay, next question is if you were failing a subject, what step would you take?
If I were failing a subject, my step would be to first communicate with my subject teacher and ask his or her what I should to do fulfill it.
Okay, next question is how would you balance academic with extracurricular activities?
I balance my academic and extra activities by studying to keep my grades always high and not to affect my my studies.
Okay. Next question is, if you were experienced brownout, what would you do?
If I were experiencing burnout, sometimes I will go to places that have a strong internet connection to attend my online class, or or answer answer my quizzes and other schoolwork.
Okay. And the next question is, how does stress impact your mental and physical health?
Actually, the stress impact my mental and physical health because sometimes I am late to eating.
Okay. And the last question is, can you share any personal stress management and techniques?
What I do is go to quiet place away from too many people, so I can focus on whatever I need to think about. And sometimes I don't think about the things that are bothering me, because I believe that all trials can be overcome.
Yes, nice. Thank you. Okay,
Okay,
that's all I. Thank you.